Boys and Girls Club. Welcome back to Artist Alley with Miss Amy. I wanted to share a project with you today because April is Earth Month and I came up with a really creative way to bring nature inside. So, look how cool. We're going to make stamps out of leaves. So supplies that you'll need are things you can find around your house as usual, your notebook or paper, and regular old markers plus leaves. So on my walk I collected lots of really cool green leafy things for our project, and I made sure to look at the undersides of the leaves for ones that looked veiny and unique. They're all a little bit different from each other. Some of them have started wilting already, but I think that's okay. I also left all of the really pretty flowers and blossoms so that neighbors on their short walks outside could continue to enjoy them and look at all of the beautiful colors. So I laid out all of my leaves in the design that I wanted to see, and then I just started coloring on the backs of the leaves, the spiny sides, with my markers. Turn them upside down, flip them, print them, and it turns into a leafy stamp. Pretty cool, right? So, how did yours turn out? Did you make a cool design or a pattern of colors and similar leaves? I'd love to see them. Show us in the comments, tag us at Home with BGCO, and be great. And I will see you next week. Bye!